just wanna be great. Yeah, I 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 just wanna be great.
Hey yo, what's up guys, Dennis here from the Fundamental Monetries, and I'm back again with another video. Okay, so in today's video guys, I'm just gonna be showing you something very simple. Okay, so if you like the content that I post here, please hit the like, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post any video, and then don't forget to leave a comment at the end of the video. Okay, just tell me how much this video helped you. I also want to know where you're watching the videos from. Okay, so yeah guys, without wasting of time, let me show you something. So what I'm gonna be showing you guys will be just me doing the simple analysis that I do. It will also be some sort of strategy for most of guys. Okay, so as you can see, the market is currently here. I'm sure you can see the mouth, this one that I'm moving, the pointer that I'm moving right now. As you can see, this is where the market is currently at. Okay, so let's do what we call the level of resistance line. Okay, so in this place, let's just go and start by doing since this one is at the bottom, I'm sure you have watched all my previous videos, and then you'll know that this down here is what we call, let me take the brush, yes. Okay, this here, the line down below, then you know that okay, this is the support line. Okay, so it is possible that, as you can see, the market is coming here. It's possible that the market, when it reaches this line down here, it might bounce back. Okay, when it reaches the line here, it is very possible that it might bounce back, because this is the support level. Okay, so if you can check up here, let me use this highlighter. If you can check up here, this was the resistance level. Okay, and then the market has passed that resistance level. Okay, so I mean this is the support level, sorry. Okay, so you can see that the candlesticks have passed that level. Okay, so there's another one down here, which is this one, this level, the one with the green line. It is very possible that the market will bounce from here and go up just like that. Okay, so when you're trading this, that means that okay, you're gonna use this area. If you're gonna use the pending orders, you can just put your pending order somewhere here along this line, and then expect the market to go up just like that. Okay, and then maybe your first take profit will be here on this level, and then your stop loss may be here. Okay, so there's something about stop losses and then take profits which is always confusing us all the time. Okay, so I will make a video about that maybe in the next coming video, because like I always advise people to use their mind to put the stop loss and the take profits. Okay, those areas that you think okay, this one should be a take profit, you should just mark it in your mind, because they do manipulate these things. Okay, that point where you think okay, this one is a stop loss, just mark it in your mind and then think of it as your stop loss area, so that when the market reaches there, you make profit. Okay, you make money just like that. Okay, so yeah, as you can see guys, the market has been moving in different ways. I mean, ever since I made the video about the level of resistance and support, the market has been moving pretty much exactly how I told you guys it was gonna move. Okay, so as you can see here, this was the resistance level. Okay, as you can see, let me check the highlighter. As you can see, this was the level of resistance. The market even went down and then went up and then didn't go far, because this was a level of resistance, and then it went down again to here and then up. As you can see, it just passed a little bit and then went down again and went up. Okay, and went up to that very same level of resistance, and then went down again. As you can see, now it's still moving down up until to the position that we think it will go to. Okay, so yeah guys, these are the things that I want you guys to understand, that it's very simple to analyze. It shouldn't be like that difficult. There's someone speaking outside. I don't know why they're making noise, and they might disturb me as I'm making this video. Sorry about this. Okay, so yeah guys, trading doesn't have to be that difficult. Okay, you just have to know how to mark your level of resistance up there. Usually I use 1 hour time frame, and then level of support there, you mark it like that, and then between this area, between here, that's where you're gonna make your decisions. Okay, between here, that's where you're gonna say, okay, this is the place where I'm trading, this is a channel that I'm gonna use to trade. You understand what I'm trying to say? Okay, so just like here, if you find that okay, you have a resistance like this, just know that okay, sometime, but not all the time, the market will go up, but then it might end up coming back here. Okay, just know this kind of things. Okay, so I'm not trying to complicate things with you. I'm just trying to show you that trading doesn't have to be difficult. You can just use these simple trading strategies each and every day, and then start making easy money. You don't have to stress a lot, especially when we're talking about Nasdaq. Nasdaq, I think, is simple. That's why I'm doing it for free here on this YouTube channel. Okay, so Nasdaq is one of the best things that a lot of people made a lot of money trading Nasdaq. Okay, so I think it will be very great for you to listen to what I'm saying, and then also just try to understand everything. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and remove everything here, so maybe like I can try and explain again nicely. Okay, so let's go again. We're gonna mark the level of resistance. Down here we're gonna mark the level of our support, because the level down below is the support level. So we're gonna mark it. And then here it is. Okay, and then that's the support level, and then up here we have what? This is the resistance level. Okay, we'll determine the resistance level by this. Let me just show you. Okay, this is how we determine the level of resistance. Okay, so as you can see, the market went up. Okay, I'm gonna focus on the bigger level of resistance right now. As you can see, the market went up, and then it came around here. It came here. Okay, and then went down, and then here is another support level, of which right now I'm not going to talk about it. Okay, it went up again, and then as you can see, the market is still currently on the very same level that it passed. It was on this side. Okay, it might have slightly passed this level, but then it came back. Okay, it came back to that level, and as you can see, it went down again, but always on that area, on the very same area as the previous level of resistance. Okay, that's why we call this level of resistance. Okay, so it was supposed to go up, but then it didn't. It just stopped here. Okay, so we call it level of resistance. Okay, so another level of support is this one, guys. This one down below here. This is a level of support, because the market didn't go down from here, it just stopped here. Okay, it just stopped here. So as it stopped here, it went back up. Okay, so this is what we call the level of support. Okay, let me just go and make a line. Okay, something is wrong. Let me try. Okay, as you can see, this is the level of support. My mom is making noise outside, Okay, it went, as you can see, it went down here, and then we call this level of support. Okay, and then it went to that place. Let me take the brush, because this one is not giving me justice. Okay, so as you can see, it went down and reached the level of support, and then okay, this is the level of support, this is the beginning of the level of support. Okay, it reached this place and then went up. Okay, so as you can see here, it moved like that and then it went down, still the very same level. It was ranging here, the very same level as this one, and then from here it turned back again. It went up to this level here, and then from here it went where? Down to this level, which is the support level, and then it went up again. Okay, unfortunately it didn't reach here, but as you can see, the previous level of support here paved the way for the other, the previous level of resistance here paved the way for the other resistances up here, and up here, and up here. Okay, unfortunately this one didn't reach here, and then after it broke the level of support here and went down. As you can see, we have another, of which is, it went down. Unfortunately it didn't reach this level of resistance down here. Okay, it reached on this one, the previous level of support, because like there's a lot of level of supports here. If you know your price action and all that, you'll understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, but if you don't, please comment down below so that I can help you with that. Okay, so it went down, it went into this level, because also this level here, determining it by this, according to this move, okay, this level here is also another level of support. Okay, it's also another level of support. As you can see, it's also another level of support. So it went from here and then came to this level of support, and then again went up, of which here it formed a resistance. And then this resistance is not just like any, it's not like something which is a foreign thing. The resistance was also here. Okay, because it's the market from here, it moved up until here and then caused this level of resistance. As you can see, my mom is laughing. Okay, so yeah, so that is how it was going. Okay, so these are just levels that the market made. Okay, so it went up again, of which it was supposed to stop somewhere here or pass. Okay, but it didn't. Okay, and then again this was a level of resistance, and then it went down. We were hoping for it to stop here, but it went past through and then it went to reach this one. Okay, of which right now, as you can see, it is going up. It's currently here. It's currently here, of which, guys, as you can see, I think this, it might also come back here, or it might come back, it might go like that and then pass up until it reaches this side. Okay, because this is the level of resistance. Okay, so if you are looking for long-term trades, guys, you must look for let me show you what you must look for. Okay, so if you're looking for long-term trades, let me just try and cancel all this. Okay, so if you want to look for long-term trades, if you're looking for long-term trades, guys, that means that, okay, you're gonna put your level of resistance here. As you can see, this will be your level of support, and then the top one, the one which is very far, in this case is this one, you put it as your level of resistance, like that. Okay, so when you look for long-term trades, let's say maybe you are here, whenever on this level, you're gonna now I'm going to take a trade, I'm gonna take a long-term trade. You're gonna come here and place a sell, and then which means that when you place a sell here, you're hoping that the market will come up until and reach this place. Okay, so that means here you'll be holding for a very, very long time. Okay, so it might take days or weeks. Okay, you never know. That will be like a long-term trade. Okay, so yeah, you'll take a sell from here and then put your stop loss somewhere up here, and then again, don't forget it's a mine stop loss, and then put your take profit somewhere here. Again, don't forget it's a mine take profit. Okay, so if you want to take a buy, Okay, you can determine this area right now. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna use this area right now and say that okay, this where I'm taking a buy, I'll take a buy trade here. Okay, unfortunately we're not trading right now, and then I'm gonna say okay, the market will go up until here, and then this will be our take profit. Okay, and then our stop loss will be somewhere here. Remember, you put these ones in your mind. You take profit in the stop loss, they have to be in your mind. You just have to think about them. You don't put them on the charts because things can happen. Okay, a lot of things can happen. There's a lot of manipulation. Like I said, I'll teach you. I'll make a video about this. Okay, or about these ones. Okay, so yeah guys, if you like the video that I'm posting here, guys, please hit the like button. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and yeah, I think I've said enough. If you don't understand, just tell me where you don't understand. Just try and talk to me. Please don't forget to comment down below. I'll really appreciate your feedback. Please don't forget to like the video. Let's get this video to 20 likes. Okay, so yeah guys, without further wasting of time, see you in the next video. Bye.
I wake up every minute with the fever dreams. I push my mind to a limit where it needs to be. I work blind, got vision I don't need to see. I'm picking mind over matter, I believe in me. I need to find more hours in the day to breathe. Need to find more power in the way I be. And when my mind turns sour with the